Hey everyone, welcome, and in this video I'm showing you how to create a social security account so you can view your benefits, enroll when you're eligible, and request a replacement card online. And here's also a quick heads up. When I tried to create an account today, I ran into a problem on my end and I'm not sure why, so I'll just walk you through the full flow so you can follow along. So go to SSA.gov and click sign in or sign up. And if you already have an account signed in, if not, you'll make one using login.gov or id.me and click create an account with login.gov. Choose create account and enter your own email. Don't share with a spouse, and then accept the terms and confirm the email that they send from the no reply dot or at login.gov, and create a strong password, 12 plus characters. Then set up a two-step verification with your phone by text or call and enter the code. Connect your login.gov to Social Security by selecting Agree and Continue. Accept the terms and enter your legal name, as on your Social Security card. SSN with or without dashes. Date of birth, home address, and phone number. Click Next and fix anything the system flags. And then you'll see an optional extra security step. Skip it if you want to keep things simple. You get one more code, enter it, agree to Social Security's terms, and you're in. If your info doesn't match and you can't move forward, call this number 800-772-1213 and ask for an activation code by mail. And once you're signed in, you can view your benefit statement, enroll when you're eligible, see your Medicare number and Part A, Part B start dates, and request a replacement card. And that's the whole process. Hope this helps you out.